Okay, Toby's my assistant, and he's been helping me behind the cameras all year round with doing these YouTube channels and stuff. And so today he wants to show you how he makes the scrambled eggs. So, Toby, where do we get all these eggs from?
The chicken coop.
And once you get the eggs from the chicken coop, what do you have to do with them before we get them to this condition?
Clean them off.
Clean them off, that's right. And then what do we do? What test do we do to them to make sure they're all good?
Floating them.
Right, and if they float up to the top, are they any good?
No.
No. Okay, Toby's gonna go ahead and crack all of these eggs because he's gonna help prepare meals too. Breakfast meals for the 3 weeks that we are renovating this kitchen. So Toby, show him how you go ahead and crack the eggs and put them in the pan.
Okay, first you got one egg at the table. Then you shove it in the bowl. And then you get the next egg at the table.
How about not so hard?
Hit the table.
Okay, we're gonna let Toby go ahead and do all these, and when he gets done, then we'll get back with you. All right, keep moving. All right, so what's your next thing you put in? What are these? Okay, take it over there and show them. Okay, so what you cut up?
I cut up maybe a cup of onion.
Okay,
So I'm gonna shove this in a bowl.
do it sideways so they can see you do it like that. Okay, yep. And where'd those onions come from?
The garden.
All right, what's the next thing?
And some green peppers from outside from last year from the garden. Probably a cup or two, that too.
Okay, and about a little seasoning of garlic, not much. Just a sprinkle, towel. Oh,
Just a sprinkle.
Okay.
And then some salt.
Hold on. Okay. Go ahead.
And then some pepper.
All right.
Maybe.
Stir it. Okay. Yep. And then you stir it up again. Oh, did I take it away?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here.
And then you mix it up.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get the skillet ready for him so he can scramble his eggs in.
So you got this bacon grease is from the Amish pigs that we raised. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit in there.
Scrape it on the side of the pan. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Yep. Okay.
Then you spread it around.
You can use your spatula.
And when it melts, you should be able to put the eggs in it. So you grab this big bowl, you dump it in the pan until it explodes.
Keep going. Is that it? Put it all in. Okay. Let's set it over here.
And then you sew it to make sure it won't be complicated.
That means stick to the pan.
Stick to the pan.
Okay. Let it cook a little so it doesn't do that. Oh. There. So how's it going over there, bud?
Good.
Getting it all scrambled out?
Trying.
All right, any more messes on the floor?
I don't see any.
Okay. Well, that's what we got dogs for, huh?
Yeah.
All right, those look like they're about done. You want to explain to them why you're not cooking them all the way through?
Usually we put these in a baggie and freeze them, and then if we need it, we can get one out and then put it in the microwave for like a minute or two.
All right, and so the reason for not cooking them all the way through is because they'll finish cooking in the microwave?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and get them off the stove and get them over here on this mat. All right, I'm going to zoom in on for them so they can see your eggs, huh? So in mixing the eggs came from our chickens, right?
Yeah.
The green peppers and the onions came from our garden, right?
Yeah.
The bacon grease came from the hogs that were raised by the Amish force.
Yeah.
Okay, what else is ours? Oh, we did get milk to put in that is from our Amish, right? So did anything come from the store?
No.
Which will make us 5 breakfast meals for 3 people.
Yeah.
All right, now I'm going to put the camera back up on you, and I want you to tell everybody to thank you for watching your cooking show.
Thank you for joining me for watching me cook these eggs. And I want to thank you for cooking with me on the show. So see you next time when I cook again.